Hi there, I'm Frank, and welcome to Storytime. This is a story about playing on a seesaw. In the playful town of Wellington, sisters Jean and Joy took their little brother Jaden to the playground. Jean wanted to play on the monkey bars, but Jaden was too little to reach them. Joy wanted to fly high on the swings, but the seats were too big for Jaden. On the other side of the playground was the seesaw. Perfect. Racing over the bright red seesaw, Jean helped little Jaden onto one side as Joy leapt onto the other side. The seesaw teetered, then tipped. Big sister Joy sank to the bottom while little Jaden flew to the top. Little Jaden got a big fright from suddenly being so high, and he began to cry. "Oh no," said Joy, "I'm sorry." Joy pushed her side of the seesaw off the ground so that Jaden's came down. "I have an idea," said Jean, climbing onto the seesaw on her little brother's side. This time, the seesaw teetered, then tipped, and little Jaden and Jean sank to the bottom while Joy flew to the top. Jaden giggled as the seesaw bounced at the bottom. "Together, he and I are heavier than you," said Jean to Joy. "I get it," said Joy. "The seesaw will always sink towards the heavier side." They spent the afternoon bouncing up and down on the seesaw. Little Jaden had lots of fun, and the girls loved seeing their little brother laugh every time he bounced at the bottom. The end.